This is a co-challenge for black. White's ice space is very big, so if black simply tries to reduce white's ice space, this is not going to work. So this is actually very similar to the previous problem, 367. Black must do something inside, right, to make use of white's weakness in its shape. And the most intuitive move is right here. And this illustrates why you must calculate very carefully, because it seems very promising, but after number 2, black can't do anything, right? If you Atari from the outside, of course you're hoping for this shape, white will be dead, but white is not going to cooperate. But we'll just capture number 1 this way and live very easily. If black stands down here, hoping white will connect, white will not connect here. White will capture black this way. And once again, white will live very easily. And of course, number 1 only has 2 liberties left, and it can't really go anywhere. So after number 2, black fails. So number 1, you need to be really careful. It seems like a good move, intuitive, but it's the wrong move. So instead, what should black try? Not a whole lot of options, really, in this pattern. So this is probably the only move left that's viable. Now white needs to be careful. If white plays here, black can't extend. So this pattern is very similar to the previous problem. And if white connects from this side, black can connect with number 5, white is dead. If white plays here, number 5 can still connect. If white plays here, then black can Atari and capture white this way or this way. So white will die if it plays at number 2. And that's why white's only move is right here, and this will lead to a ko, right? Because black will have to Atari here, and all white needs to do is to keep playing the Atari moves at number 4 and 6, and this will become a ko. White will capture first. Does black have a local ko threat? The answer is no, right? Black cannot just connect here because white can live at number 10. So black doesn't have a local ko threat. Does white have a local ko threat? Also no, right? So that's why both sides will have to play through this ko and find ko threats elsewhere. So overall, not too difficult as long as you avoid playing this move. And the rest is very similar to the previous problem, but easier than the previous problem. So hopefully you found the correct answer, and I'll see you in the next problem. Thank you for watching.